Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Issa Filipina. In today's video, I'm going to show you an unboxing video of my Valentine's gift that I got from my husband. It's Michael Kors Fujifilm Instax Mini 70. And this is how it looks like, the box. And it comes with the instant camera, the strap ring attaching to CR2 batteries, instruction manual, 1 year limited warranty, and Instax mini color film pack for 10 sheets. So as we open it, that's how it looks like. And I haven't used this yet, so I want to use it when I already bought a lot of film, because it only has 10 films inside. And so we got some papers inside, some instructions, and batteries. I'm not really sure where to buy this kind of battery, but maybe I can just find this on Amazon. We got the film. It's too pretty. I don't want to open it, but I have to. Okay, so there's something inside. Oh, it has the strap, and I'm not sure what's this for. And we got the camera. I think the camera is not like... So I bought chain for this one. I'm gonna show you how the chain looks like. 1 second. So this is the chain, and I got 2 colors. I have to buy this separately. Oh, it comes with a keychain. I have a gold one and a silver one, but I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use the silver one. Maybe this one I'm gonna use it for maybe if I have a pouch or if I have a bag. And I'm gonna put this on the side over here. I hope it fits. Oh no. It doesn't fit. Yeah, I should put the ring first and then the chain. That's how the ring looks like. Okay, so I have to ask my husband to do this for me because it hurts. Okay, so my husband connected the ring already, and I'm gonna put the chain. I'm gonna connect it together. There you go. Ta-da! Super cute! And also, it's really convenient because you can make it as a necklace and it's hands-free. You don't have to worry about getting it stolen. And so I'm gonna put the film inside. Oh, interesting. So this is how it looks like. Do not press here, and in different languages. So this is the on button, mode, timer, and selfie. It also has a mirror over here that will make you see while you're doing a selfie. And also, because this one is partnered, and also it's featuring Michael Kors, it has a Michael Kors name on here and at the back. It's not the typical Instax Mini 70 of Fujifilm, and this is where the film is gonna come out. And also this is where we're gonna put the battery. So positive and negative. Right. And film, it says film right there. Move it. Opens up. And put the film inside. Maybe this one's connected because there's yellow in there and there's yellow in here, so okay, it works like that. Close it. Awesome. And then turn it on. Okay, and that's how it looks like. I'm not the professional one, but it really looks so awesome. Oh my goodness. I told my husband that I'm only gonna use this when there's like a special event, but if it's just, you know, just casual and whatever, I want to save this for something that's really like special. So I am still figuring things out, how this thing works. And so I got this camera in Nordstrom, and the price of this camera is $49.99 plus the shipping, which is $7. So we paid like 58, 57, somewhere like around that price. And the original price of this like 3 years ago is, I guess, 150 or something like that. So it's been 3 years and it still looks cute. And it's on sale on Nordstrom. But if you check it on eBay, on Amazon, and other online shop, the price is more expensive than $50. So I think it's about like $80 or $100, something like that. And I think this one is really a good deal from Nordstrom. And I'm going to put the link down below in my description box, so that if you are interested, you can just go to my description box and check the link down below. And if you have any questions about this camera, I'm not the professional one, but I will try my best to answer your questions. And also I haven't took a picture yet of this because I just opened it, and I'm still like kind of scared to use it because I don't want to waste film. But some of my friends told me that, you know, like always a trial to use Instax. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys like this video, and please comment down below if you have questions, and I'll see you in my next vlog.